You gonna make some more noise?
Noodle, can you come over and finish your math?
Mom, that isn't math. This is just for fun.
I want to see if you can do that though.
Keep that home.
I want to see if you can do it.
Hey babes, are you dancing? Huh? How's that dancing coming along? Yeah. Look at me, come here. Yes.